Hello guys and welcome back to Almost Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix your PS4 controller like not connecting to your PS4. So the first thing you guys can do is obviously you're going to get a USB cable and you're just going to put it in, or just going to connect it to the controller. Now you're going to press on the home button, and if that does not work, like if it doesn't connect to the PS4, what you're going to do is the next step, you're going to take out the you're just going to take out the USB cable. And what you're going to do is you're going to hold on the share play button first, or the share button first, and then you're going to hold on the PS button second. So like this, and just hold it until you hear, or not really hear, just until you see like the PS4 controller, like it starts like flickering, and there's going to be like white light flickering. So it just disconnected, and there we go. Like once we see the lights flickering, that means we're good to go. Now what you can do is get the USB cable again. You're going to connect it either back into the PS4 controller, or you could simply just turn it on normally. Let's like press on the PS button. So I'm just going to show you how to do it like normally. Just like press on the PS button, and there we go. Now we have it. Now I can use the PS4 controller. So that is a very simple and easy way how to fix like your PS4 controller not connecting to the PS4. And yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.